Hey everybody, so you've watched as I've done some flying recently, and I just wanted to kind of show you my complete setup now that everything is complete. So I thought that'd be a fun, quick little video. So here is the bag that I chose to keep everything safe in. This right here is my helipad. So we're gonna get this set up on the floor real quick just to show how easy it is. Boom, helipad. See? H for helipad. All right. So here's the bag. It's pretty cool. It's got plenty of space for what we need. Keep the cables, extra batteries in here. And we've got this. So this is where the controller goes. Plenty of space for the controller. No issues there. We've got space in here for the battery charger, which now charges 3 batteries at the same time. This is a pretty cool little device. Definitely worth it if you have more than one battery. And then this is the drone. Again, if I haven't actually mentioned it, this is the DJI Mini 4K. So this is a blade protector. It just sits onto the bottom like that. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. Just undo that and it comes off. So then you're gonna come over here. You're gonna do this and you're gonna lower the camera so that way everybody can see a little bit better. And it's pretty simple. You take one wing and another wing, and these rotate down. And then if you were to fly, you're going to take the gimbal protector off, but since we're not flying in the house, because why would I do something crazy like that? So this is a little bit of an example of the size, and it's perfect. So I have not actually been able to use this yet because it came today, but I am hoping to use it sometime in the next couple days. I'm definitely looking forward to launching from this. One of the reasons that I would recommend something like this is because if you are going to do this in high grass, you have to consider this right here, the fact that unless the grass is thinner than the width of your finger, you're going to be hitting the rotor blades on the drone. So you definitely need to make sure that you have something so that way you're not hitting the grass. Yes, some people might say, well, why don't you just launch by holding on to it? Well, a couple reasons for that. One, I am not that well trained in flying, and I don't want to try to land on my hand. While yes, it will hover in place, I could reach over and grab it. Shutting down the engines and everything would require a little bit of more knowledge and ambidextry that I'm willing to put into the endeavor at the moment. But so far, I like this. I'm looking forward to actually getting it out and using it the next day or so. And I will definitely launch from there and see how hard it is to land in the same place. And I'll make sure that I video that. All right, thanks guys. Appreciate it. You guys have a great night, and I will see you out flying soon.